My name's Ben Webber and welcome to ModuleWorks headquarters in Aachen. Please come inside. This year, ModuleWorks is hosting the ModuleWorks Insider Conference, a two-day event on the 20th and 21st of March. In preparation for the ModuleWorks Insider Conference, we've planned a series of video interviews with the two gentlemen who are spearheading ModuleWorks. Our founder and managing director, Dr. Yavuz Murtezaoglu, and our technical director, Dr. David Plater. So I hope this content inspires you and interests you to the event. Please do register for the ModuleWorks Insider Conference and, of course, subscribe to our YouTube channel to make sure you get notified of the upcoming videos. Enjoy and see you in Aachen very soon. Bye-bye.
We identified that we have these three baskets we need to focus on. The first one is the people. The second one are the parts we produce with our technology. And the third one is the environment. We have a great impact on the environment.
I believe that many of the solutions to those environmental problems come from engineering. So whether it's green energy, needing more windmills or better solar plants, or whether it's electric cars or aeroplanes that use less fuel or more work on different fuels, all of those require engineering parts. And behind that, our technology helps to make all of those things.
ModuleWorks is, I think, a bottom-to-up capability of sharing technology such everybody can benefit it. So we develop it once and everybody can use it. We help the world to make 5-axis a mass phenomenon, a widely used technology, right? We didn't invent the 5-axis machining, right? But we made it available and accessible. I mean, we are not a company where we say we will develop technology that will kill jobs and that will make people redundant. That's not our goal. We want the people, they should get what they deserve, the best possible technology, and to make their work better and easier.
In the kind of business we're in, we have to be the best in the world. We have to develop the best technology because we provide it to the whole world, and therefore that means we're competing with anyone else trying to provide similar technology to the world. So that has to be our challenge. And to do that, we need to recruit the best people, and we're very fortunate we have many very talented people. Happy technology is developed by happy people, for happy customers, for happy end users. And it goes back to that win-win-win situation that we were discussing earlier.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to register for ModuleWorks Insider Conference. See you there.